experience a soft, glowing and a plump up skin. Hello everyone and welcome back. I hope you all are fine. Today we will be making a plump up mask using our kitchen ingredients. Yes, our kitchen ingredients. And this mask will not only plump up our skin but is also a great acne remedy. So come, let's make. To prepare this mask, we will be using cinnamon powder, honey, lemon juice and turmeric powder. Cinnamon powder. It has skin lightening properties. It works towards fading away acne scars, blemishes, marks and dark spots. It brings blood to skin surface, and this property of cinnamon helps in getting rid of fine lines on the face. Honey. The antioxidants, nutrients and enzymes in honey works together to nourish and plump the skin. It retains and rebuilds moisturize without making the skin oily or creating any irritation. Lemon juice. Lemon juice acts as an astringent, tightens enlarge pores and smooth out skin. Also hydrates skin and make it plump. Turmeric. The anti-inflammatory qualities can target pores and calm the skin. It helps to even skin tone. It soothes skin irritation and also helps reduce acne and any resulting scars. Now we will mix all to make the mask. We will take 1/4 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. We will add 2 tablespoons of honey. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And in last, we will add a pinch of turmeric powder. Mix all. Apply it on your face and neck and leave it on for 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 to 25 minutes, rinse the face and pat dry. You can apply this mask once a week and you will experience a soft, glowing and a plump up skin. To know more such DIYs, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, stay home, stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.